Compare and contrast. Type your name here. A nocturnal flying bird. An owl is probably the most famous nocturnal bird. This means that owls sleep during the day and do most of their activity, including hunting, at night. Owls have a few things that help a lot with hunting at night. They have an incredible sense of hearing. Their feathers help with flying silently. Owls have excellent long-distance vision, which helps them spot prey. A nocturnal flying mammal. Bats are the only mammal that can fly. Bats are nocturnal, just like owls are. Bats have very poor vision, so they rely on echolocation to help guide them while they are flying. Echolocation is a series of short, small sounds. The bat makes these noises, which bounce off its surroundings and gives the bat an idea of what is around it. This helps their hunting. What are the two passages mostly about? Nocturnal birds, nocturnal animals that fly, eyes and ears, or birds and mammals. What do owls rely on while flying? Echolocation, the wind, good eyesight, or good sense of taste. What do bats rely on while flying? Echolocation, the wind, good eyesight, or good sense of taste. What does compare mean? When you find things that are similar about two things? Or when you find things that are different about two things? What does contrast mean? When you find things that are similar about two things? Or when you find things that are different about two things? Compare two things from the article. Contrast two things from the article. When you are done, make sure to hit submit.